This isn't Scottsdale, and it's not trying to be. If you think you know Arizona living, think again.
30 minutes west of Phoenix sits Buckeye, Arizona, where the White Tank Mountains frame the horizon. It's a place that's more than a community. It's lifestyle, landscape, and legacy.
A golf car community? Absolutely, but it's also a place with spirit. It's a place where a wave isn't just a gesture. It's a reminder. It's a reminder that you're home.
6 districts, 2 public golf courses, 5 schools, 26 miles of hiking and biking, 86 parks, and golf cars everywhere. We'll start with one of the most talked about districts. Step inside a home that connects you to the neighborhood and the lifestyle, and explore the district no one expects, the kind that once a year, thousands of neighbors take over the streets. What you're about to see, most never do.
This is Verrado. This is golf car living.
All the districts here have their own personality, but our first one
Sits above it all.
the Victory District, purpose-built for what comes next. A 55-plus, active adult community centered around the public Victory Golf Course, where elevated living, timeless homes, and resort-style amenities define the lifestyle. Since opening in 2016, multiple builders have been shaping this district. At completion, the Victory District will have nearly 3,000 homes. Current prices, both new and resale, range from $360,000 to $1.7 million. Now, to see what brings this community together, we climb.
This is the steepest hill in all of Verrado, and golf cars climb it daily to get to the heart of this district, the Victory Club. Friends, food, fitness, and views you've earned, all in one place.
While the Vic Bar and Kitchen and the Valley Views are open to the public, the pickleball, tennis courts, lap and lounge pools, and the world-class spa are for members only.
I wish I could take you inside, but privacy here isn't a perk, it's the promise.
Also, in the Victory District, you'll find the legendary and popular Victory Stairs. Roughly 340 steps built from recycled railroad ties, a favorite for early morning workouts and evening sunsets. These steps are rated difficult and not recommended for inexperienced hikers. But honestly, I saw people going up and down pretty easily. Either way, the views at the top are totally worth it.
Just down the hill is a home in a different type of district, where walkability matters and convenience comes with a key.
My friend Michelle Seymour, Verrado resident and trusted real estate expert, gave me full access to one of her Main Street District listings. Listed just over $500,000, 2,200 square feet, and right in Verrado's core. This end-unit townhome delivers. On the main floor, you immediately enter a bright home office with custom built-ins, access to the kitchen, anchored by an island, ample storage, and stainless steel appliances. And just beyond, a spacious living area with a large ceiling fan, natural light, and thoughtful upgrades. Upstairs, bedroom number 1 faces the front of the home with tree views, shade, and the golf car parked right out in front, ready for easy access. Between bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2 is a comfortable landing area and a shared full bath. Bedroom number 2 is similar in size, but has more windows and extra light. Steps away is the largest of all 3 bedrooms, the owner's suite, with a walk-in closet, dual sink vanity, tub, separate shower enclosure, and a water closet. For privacy reasons, we're limiting some of the bed and bath footage. These row homes are very popular with snowbirds and investors, a reliable option for lock and leave living or long-term rentals. Before we see where your golf cart will live, take a look at this cozy, low-maintenance desert backyard, complete with trees, grass, and a ready-to-go outdoor living area. From the backyard, it all comes together. This yard connects directly to a tandem garage, one that opens to the backyard and the main garage door. There's room for 2 vehicles, plus plenty of space for 1 or 2 golf cars and storage. Exploring this part of Verrado, you'll notice many homes and neighborhoods with rear-facing garages and alley access. A thoughtful design that keeps the front streets open, walkable, and full of curb appeal. A link to this great listing is in the comment section below. Living in the Main Street District means more than great real estate options. Whether you're walking or in your golf car, everything that makes this area iconic leads here. Main Street Square. With restaurants, cafes, a grocery store, a pharmacy, frozen yogurt, and even lofts and apartments above it all. It's as lively as it is convenient. All this exploring made me hungry, so I had to stop and grab a quick bite from a local favorite, Tempo Urban Bistro. Food here is great, and it has beers on tap, a full bar, and big screen TVs. This district is also home to the Verrado Golf Club, Founders Park, and the brand new Sunrise Market. And when it comes to real estate, Main Street listings currently range from $420,000 to over $2.4 million, offering everything from charming row homes to porch-lined single-family homes to large custom builds just blocks from the Main Street Square. This area of Verrado is tree-lined and walkable, drivable, with architecture that feels unmistakably small-town Americana.
The Main Street District is where lifestyle, legacy, and landscape converge. It's where muscle cars and golf cars share the same road, because here in Verrado, they don't compete, they connect. Yes, there are rules and laws for driving golf cars here, but my friends and I over at Redline Carts have made it easy for you. Check out the download in the comment section.
And once a year, the Main Street District and Main Street Square turn into a full weekend celebration called Founders Day. Not hundreds, thousands of residents fill this entire area. Live music, food trucks, local brews, vendors lining the walkways. A community that doesn't just show up, they take over. This event is free to homeowners and residents, and this place was packed. The crowd kept going and going and going. And make no mistake, this isn't a neighborhood block party. This is a real concert setup with a full production stage, pro lights and sound, and major acts. Opening tonight for headliner Collective Soul was Patrick and the LVB Band out of Las Vegas. And over the years, artists like Rick Springfield, the Beach Boys, the B-52s, and more have taken this stage. This year, I was fortunate enough to be here, walking, talking, and rocking Verrado. I'm sold. I'll be back next year. Reach out if you want to join me.
Verrado moves differently, and it's time to measure it. Time for the R.I.D.E score.
Starter to custom, lofts to luxury, front porches to private courtyards. The right fit for every chapter. Verrado Real Estate gets 4.5 out of 5 stars. Grandparents in victory, kids just down the hill. Tree-lined streets, parks, and green lawns in the middle of the desert. Kids, carts, and conversations creating community. Interest for Verrado is 4.5 stars. 4 miles top to bottom, 11 minutes, even with stops. Victory is 3.5 square miles, the Main Street District, 6. Side streets keep you legal, but add a little time. I'm giving distances 4 stars. Scenic streets and homes connect Verrado's districts. Main Street and Sunrise Market anchor the center. Booming growth opening new doors at the entrance, but it's in a 45-mile-per-hour zone. 4 stars for Verrado's exploration. Verrado's overall score is 4.25 stars.
If this lifestyle's calling you, then call me.
I know it. I live it, and I'll help you find it.